Field of 6, New York Sire Stakes, 3-year-old filly trotter, first division. They're on gate. They're off. There goes Trip Sevens reaching out for the lead, showing speed too, is Sukup Blue Chip. Now Sukup Blue Chip a little faster, and Trip Sevens there in second. Inside third, Splash Blue Chip. Center of the racetrack, contested Hanover's moving forward. Then comes a Dream Chapter, and at the back, it's Titan's Hope. So they sort themselves out up top, and it's Trip Sevens and Dave Miller going on with it. Sukup Blue Chip will sit the pocket trip early. The opening quarter, 27-1 as they straight away to come past the grandstand. They're all chasing Trip Sevens. Next, it's Sukup Blue Chip, followed by Splash Blue Chip. First over, here comes contested Hanover and Scott Zera. Dream Chapter has one beat. That's Titan's Hope, who can see them all. They make their way into the hotel turn, 3 in, 3 out, now clearing to the top. There goes Sukup Blue Chip, who's going to get to the half in 56-2. So it's Sukup Blue Chip who leads them on to the backstretch. Contested Hanover, still grinding away, first over. Inside their third is a Trip Sevens. Next comes Splash Blue Chip into the pylons. On that one's outside is Dream Chapter. The trailer remains Titan's Hope as the 3-year-old fillies trot down the backstretch and head toward 3/4. They're still chasing Sukup Blue Chip and Andy Miller. Contested Hanover still in with a shot with that first over trip. 3/4, 124-3. Now moving up, here comes Dream Chapter and Hennessy. Tracking that one's cover with Splash Blue Chip and Svanstedt. They turn for home. Contested Hanover now has the nose in front. It's contested Hanover who spins him in. Dream Chapter is still there. Grandstand side, Splash Blue Chip is absolutely unleashed. And Splash Blue Chip and Oka Svanstedt go right on by. Splash Blue Chip to win it. Tight for second might have been Dream Chapter over contested Hanover. 155-1. Number 1, Splash Blue Chip, was first. Photo for second. Results of the photo do show that it was number 2, Dream Chapter. Second, 1263 is unofficial. Now returning to the Tioga Downs Winners Circle. Your unofficial winner from the New York Sire Stakes 3-year-old Fillies First Division is number 1 Splash Blue Chip, a 3-year-old Bay Filly by E.L. Titan out of the Donato Hanover mare, Dunk the Donato. Splash Blue Chip is owned by Melby Guard Incorporated in partnership with winning trainer-driver Oka Svanstedt. That was Splash Blue Chip's second career victory, a winner today at 155-1. That's a lifetime best clocking for Splash Blue Chip. Presenting the New York Sire Stakes blanket, Track Operations Manager Brett Reese. Congratulations to all the connections of Splash Blue Chip. Now in the winner's circle, here's Brett with the winning connections.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, we're in the winner's circle with Aki Svanstedt, trainer and driver of number 1 Splash Blue Chip. Aki, you sat in here first time around. She's a little bit rowdy here. Tell us why you sat in and waited patiently to the 3/4 pole.
Yeah, I have no choice, but she raced good, and she have raced in tough races at Meadowlands and doing good. She have come home good, and so she have raced better than before, and today it was an easier race, so yeah.
She wins easy here. When you're coming down the stretch, she's flying. She had a lot more to offer than what she showed us in the lane.
Yeah, it felt like that.
Congratulations, Aki. The Splash Blue Chip exploded in deep stretch for Team Svanstedt.
Race number 3 has now been declared official. Splash Blue Chip paid $350, $240, $210. Dream Chapter $360, $250. Contested Hanover $2.50 to show. The $2 exacta $14.40. 50-cent trifecta $13.75. Dime superfecta $7.50. Up next, it's the Open Trot, field of 6. No scratches or changes. We are 11 minutes to post time.